boom. As you can see, the application has paid me through mobile recharge. I have chosen a mobile recharge. For requesting my payout, you guys can choose another method of payout. You can choose PayPal, gift card. So that is it. The application has paid me. As you can see, this is a legit app that paid me in my country's currency. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another legit way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. Are you looking for an app that allow you to earn money, gift cards or mobile recharge? If so, this is the app you are looking for. This app pays better and faster than any other reward apps. Make money by completing surveys, watching video, playing game. This is the best free app for money and rewards. Go to Play Store and search for G Reward. Click this application and install and open it. Important thing to remember here is only one person per one account is allowed, and no VPN, proxies, no emulation, device farming, no fraudulent, no cheating. Rooted devices are not supported, and the system will recognize your country. If the system recognition is correct, tap continue with Google to start earning. Then fill your age and your gender. Click continue. As you can see, I have opened the account. The first way to earn more huge point is click redeem and slide down. There you find a space to enter a code. Here enter referral code that's shown on the screen. After filling the code, submit it, and as you can see, you will get 500 points. Click offer. There is some offers: iron source, fiber, and video. Let's see iron source. These are offers that you have to complete to get points. Offers must be started and completed on the same device and in the same browser page where the offer link opens within 60 days or less. If stated in the offers instruction page, you must be connected to the internet at all time while working on the offers. After downloading and opening the app, reopen the offer wall, tap the in progress tab, make sure the offer status has changed to installed before starting the offer. There are many applications and games that can be downloaded and installed in order you to get paid or get points. As you can see, this application has an offer. It will pay you 3 points if you reach level 25 in 6 days. There are offers that pay you tons of points. Let's go to the next offer. It's called fiber. Then click on fiber. Right now this offer is not working for me, but for you it may work. Check it. We will see the video tab at last, but let's go to in-brain offer. As you can see, in-brain offer and tab research offers are not working for me right now, but these offers can work in your country. Check them. At last, click the video tab, then the ad will play. Wait the video to end. As you can see, there is a countdown. When the countdown reaches 0, there is a forward tab. Click that. Click minimize. Our point is not changed right now, but in order to see the change in your balance, go to coins and refresh it, and then go back to offer. As you can see, the points now changed. So again, go to coins. Again, there are more coins here. You should have to install the application or the game to earn these points. 240 coins, 240 coins, and 240 coins, 480 coins for downloading and installing this application in the games. These coins will be credited to your balance. So as you can see, open or try for 3 minutes or more and keep the app for at least 3 days to earn these points. There are instructions for all the app and the games in order you to earn. Go to more. There are surveys, Offer Toro, Argate, CPX Research, Hang My Arts. These tabs can offer you a survey, and when you finish those surveys, you will earn points. Check them all to earn points. There are also coming soon tabs that are not working right now, but they will work in the future, and check them if they work in your country. Click redeem. As you can see, you can redeem your points through PayPal. 3,000 coins for $0.2, 10,000 coins for $1, 97,000 points for $10. You can redeem your points for this amount of dollar. So there is also a gift card. This gift card depends upon your country. Gifts are not available in most of the countries, but check it if your country is eligible for gift cards. When you scroll down, there is a mobile charge tab. Fill your country code and then your mobile phone and click check, and you will find your network provider name. It will show you how much coins will be converted to your currency, your country's currency. Click choose an item and choose the money you want to top up your mobile. As you can see, I have choose. When you scroll down, you will get the top up button. Click that. You are required to verify with your face in order to check that you are a legitimate user of the application and to validate your payout eligibility. Click start. In order to request a payout, you should have to verify with your face. Allow the application to take picture of you. It is an easy task. After you verify yourself with your face, again go to redeem and mobile recharge. Check for exchange of coins into your currency and choose your item. Click choose an item. After choosing the balance, click top up. It will show you to confirm your number and exchange rate and click agree. Then the notification will pop up. Your order is impending. Please check back later. Click OK. You can see your payout history or payout order in history. As you can see, I have cashed out 900 points into my currency through mobile recharge. My point is now reduced to 160. That's because my payout is in progress. Boom. As you can see, the application has paid me through mobile recharge. I have chosen a mobile recharge for requesting my payout. You guys can choose another method of payout. You can choose PayPal, gift card. So that is it. The application has paid me. As you can see, this is a legit app that paid me in my country's currency. This is the best way to earn passive online income. So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.